Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Prizepicks password, and it's really easy and simple. So basically you have to come to this page. So it's this URL, okay? Follow this link to actually reset your password. I'll put it in the pinned comments and the description as well. So you come to this link, and then you will have to enter your email that's actually associated with your Prizepicks account, and then click on send instructions. And what's going to happen, guys, is that Prizepicks will send you an email with a link. When you click on that link, it will redirect you to Prizepicks, and you will have uh, the permission to basically change your password for that account. Okay, you have to enter your password twice and confirm, and then you'll be redirected to Prizepicks. And of course, the next time you try to log in with that password, it will actually work. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.